잠시 후.
Micaiah and Nupella, two of the tree kangaroos in the Australasia exhibit, are here for a special reason.
The zoo put them together so they'll have babies.
There aren't as many tree kangaroos in the wild as there used to be. People are still destroying their habitat. So zoos around the world, including Singapore, are working together to encourage tree kangaroos to reproduce. That's why they put Micaiah and Nupella together. I call them the love couple of Australasia.
Do you think they'll have babies?
I hope so. If endangered species in zoos have more babies, then these rare and wonderful animals won't go extinct. The Singapore Zoo has very successful breeding programs for many threatened animals, including orangutans, elephants, white rhinos, pangolins, and hornbills.
Look for an exhibit with graceful dancers performing an underwater ballet. I'm kidding. This is where the pygmy hippos live. When they tiptoe through the water, they look a little like ballerinas in toe shoes.
Wild pygmy hippos in West Africa are endangered, but under human care, they breed well. More than 10 have been born here in Singapore, a big success story for the group. Which one would that be? You have so many.
The white tigers. You've absolutely got to visit them and the cool interactive center where you'll find out how to save tigers in the wild.
Look up for orangutans as we pass through this area. Orangutan means man of the forest in the Malay language. You'll see two subspecies, the golden brown Sumatran orangutan and the darker